Hi Coach Peak. So I'm going to be doing a video about parabolas, number 20 to be exact. I'm going to go ahead and show you the problem. It says the focus of a parabola is 5, -6. So we'll go ahead and start there. Whenever it tells you the focus of the parabola, you can go ahead and point it on your graph, and I labeled as F for focus. And then it also tells you the directrix is at y equals 12. Then it asks you to write an equation. So I went ahead and found y equals 12 and put that as the line of directrix. Now, in relation to these two and the distance apart from each other, they are going to be equidistant from each other compared to the vertex. So the vertex is going to be directly in the middle. So we can go ahead and count the distance from the focus point to the line of directrix and just divide by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So half of 18, 9. We can go ahead and count again, this time stopping at 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is going to be our point for the vertex. Now I'll go ahead and put a V so we know that's the vertex. Then, as another important, interesting piece of information, we're going to have this labeled as P. P is the actual definition of the distance between the line of directrix and the vertex, but also the distance between the vertex and the focus point. So this could also be P, since they're equidistant, so same thing. Okay, so this is going to be useful when we actually try and start using the equation that you gave us today. It says x minus h squared equals a times y minus k. Well, we can go ahead and plug in h and k since we know that h and k is the vertex. So since we already found the vertex, we can go ahead and just count that, which is going to be 5, 3. Looks like I got a little off-centered when I was doing the counting. And so 5, 3, we're going to go ahead and plug that into the equation. And it says x minus 5 squared equals a times y minus 3. And then we need to find out what this a is going to be. So the other equation, we know that a equals 4p. Well, since we already know that p is 9, we need to realize that the focus point is below the vertex. So if originally we were trying to find out what p was, it would end up being negative because you have to go downwards to get to f. So we can go ahead and plug in p with -9, and that'll give you a equals -36. So plug that back into the equation. You get x minus 5 squared equals -36 times y minus 3.